To make this kind of quilt we need lots of little scraps. I think I have about 700 for this one. The size is not very big. It's 72 by 42 inches. The scraps I have, they were 1¼ by 4½ inches, or really nice if you have jelly roll leftovers or binding leftovers which were cut to 2½ inches wide. You can cut them in half and there's perfect size. And after that you need to trim them to the is it orange peel shape. It doesn't have to be precise, just quickly cut all 4 corners from a rectangle. Yeah, it took me about 3 hours to cut 700 pieces. Yeah, that's a lot of time. After you've loaded your backing, batting and the top fabric, you would need to do some basting if you like, which what I did. I stitched parallel lines 3½ inches apart. That was my horizontal lines, all horizontal lines. Then additional markings using extremely high-tech tool, chalk pencil. I marked 4 inches apart and then shifted 2 inches, another 4 inches apart. So, and that's all the marking. So if you look at the very beginning of the row, go over there, you'll see here we have only half the size of the orange peel, and then we have whole size. So this is 4½ inches orange peel itself, but there's 4 inches between the markings. And here we have 2 inches from the beginning, and then again another 4, 4, 4, 4. And that's all. It's there like in a chess order, as I call it. So not stacked upon one above another, but like that. Hope that makes sense. And after we've done the marking, we can start putting the pieces on the top. Just lay them out in a random order, whichever way you like. Just make sure there are no similar colors next to each other. Now see, there's a similar thing, so I'll leave this for later somewhere and put this one instead. and so on. Just layer the whole row, and after that start stitching. That's all for now.